Salome, salam alaikum. Show me your cup. Show me your cup. What number is that? What number is that? Okay, let me see. Show me. Very good. How many are you going to put in there? 10. Okay, put 10. Very good, very good. Now go back to your seat. Thank you. All right, Mawadda. Show me your number. Show me your number. What number is that? Show me. What number is that? Show me.
5.
Number 5. Don't tell her. That's number 5. Put number 5. Put 5. Aha, good. Put 5 there. Put 5 in your cup. Yes. Hiya, put 5 in your cup. Put 5 in your cup. Shh. Stop, stop, stop. Is that 5? How many are you putting there? Okay, stop, stop, stop. Enough. Go back to your seats. Thank you. Another one? Muhammad. Muhammad, go. Go, Muhammad. Hurry up, Muhammad. Hurry up, Muhammad. Shh, stop it, Suhail. Stop it. Sit down there. Okay, show me your number. What number is that? Let me see. Show me. Show me your number. Where's your number? I don't see. Show me. Number. 2. Number. Yes, that's number 2. Can you put 2 in here? Very good. Enough. Come back here. Suhail, go. Suhail, go. Suhail, what number do you have? Number 4. Very good. Can you put 4 inside there? Suhail, what number do you have? How many did you put in there? Okay, thank you. Come back here. Come back here. Go, Mustafa. Go, Mustafa. Go there. Mustafa, what number is that, Mustafa? 8. Can you put 8 in here? All right. Let's see if Mustafa can do it. Uh-huh. 4. Continue. 7, 8. Enough, Mustafa. Okay, come back here. Leave that one alone. Okay, thank you, Mustafa. Go, Amal. Go, Amal. Okay, Amal. What number is that? Amal, what number is that? Number 9. Number 9. Okay, can you put 9 in there? Stop, Muhammad. Is that 9, Amal? Okay, come back here now. Okay, Ayman, go. All right, Ayman, show me your number. Oh, sorry, Suhail. Get up. Okay, show me your number. You have 2. Okay, what number is that? What number is that? Okay, can you put 1 there? Put 1. One. Very good. Okay, and the other number? What is that? 3. Can you put 3 there? 3. Yes. Put 3. Put some more 3. Is that enough? Just a minute. Is that 3? All right. Come back here. Thank you.